For 10, Luis Neri versus Jonreal Casimero at some point. Jonreal Casimero scored another knockdown in the second round. That is an 10-8. 20-14 is the score. Tambak ng 6, tol. Luis Neri moving in. Nag-aalangan na rin pumasok dito si Luis Neri. Baka mamaya tamaan siya. The power still in there for Jonreal Casimero. Luis Neri now standing in front of Jonreal, trying to measure him up. Left hand done, straight malaki. Luis Neri sablay, but he caught Jonreal Casimero that time. Para napagod na rin ata si Tata, tol ah. 3-punch combination mula kay Jonreal Casimero. Somehow will telegraph na atrasan ni Luis Neri. Luis Neri now is much active here. Is the one pushing forward now, Luis Neri. Casimero with a 2-1 combination. Neri will attack. Jonreal Casimero timing, brother. That's a good straight to the body landed by Casimero. And Neri missed another wide left. And then a jab. Left coming from Luis Neri. Jab malaki Luis Neri. And Luis Neri now is pushing Jonreal Casimero to the ropes. Combination coming from Luis Neri. Jonreal Casimero trying to set up his power punches. Para malalakas na rin yung tinatapon ngayon ni Luis Neri, mga Lodi. Is finding his rhythm momentarily. And it looks like Jonreal Casimero is taking a breather here. Setting up his right hand is Jonreal Casimero with less than 30 seconds remaining. Combination, but there's a good left landed by Luis Neri. Parang bumabagal si Tata, tol. Combination mula kay Luis Neri. Jonreal Casimero trying to retaliate now. Straight to the body landed by Jonreal Casimero. Somehow low, sabi ng referee. But it's fine, sabi ni Luis Neri. Grabe Luis Neri after getting knocked down 3 times in the first round. Once in the second round. But right now, here he is. Nagkadulasan na naman, tol. Nagkatulakan. Binilangan na naman ng referee. Nagkatapakan. Another knockdown in score kay Luis Neri. But I don't believe that was a knockdown. Tibay pa rin o Neri, tol. Hindi pa umuupo yung hindi pa umuupo yung Neri ha. Here we go to number 4. Let's see. Luis Neri is the one pushing in now. This is round number 4. Kung gusto niya makabalik dito, idol, kailangan niyang lupitan, kailangan niyang galingan. Shots to the body, hindi ininda ni Neri. 3-punch combination mula kay Jonreal Casimero, the left hand. Tumama na naman! Bagsak na naman si Luis Neri here. Bagsak na naman si Luis Neri. Looks like Luis Neri is not going to get up. Luis Neri has been counted out.